So here is a video on how SideKick works. So we will give SideKick a prompt. So create a 25% discount on all items in the summer favorite collection. Call the code flash25 and make it active for 48 hours. Follow up with draft an email announcing a 48-hour flash sale for summer favorite collection. So let's see. So SideKick have created this discount. Let's preview it. So if all good, we can save it. And here SideKick have also created a draft for us. So basically, SideKick will give us the description, subject, and all the things. But currently, it is not available to create email template for us. Thank you.